Hey everybody, my name is Seth Ponder. I want to talk to you about another EduProtocols called Fast and the Curious.
All right, so you pick your favorite game, right? Quizzes, Kahoot, whatever. And then you give it to the students. They got a 61 as a class. That's pretty good. Nice start.
Then you go over the content. It can be a day, it can be a couple days. And then they're like, wait a second, maybe I'm learning something.
Then you have them take it again. Look at that. 92. 92.
So this is an example of my juniors and seniors in aerospace taking a class all about physics of flight. So I always suggest keep the scores on the board, right? It's a scoreboard. They see the improvement. I had a senior say, oh my gosh, I'm learning something. This is great. You can't win better than that. The other great thing about all of these games like Kahoot and quizzes and all of the rest is that teachers spend time coming up with great content, and I thank them for that because they also share it. So if you don't have time to create it, there's great content on there. Like for example, I might be a high school teacher looking for some history stuff. There you go. Or let's see, let me change this to math. Bam, right there. So thank you to all the teachers who are making them. I make some, they're out there. But the other thing is, the kids think they're playing a game. So they're having fun. And if they're having fun in the classroom and they're learning something, you got bonus points. Great job.